Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is SEO analysis of the website kicksonthestreet.org. So I have checked the website using the regular tools, but for some reason either the URL or the website itself is not accessed by the bots freely or fully as other websites, as it's the case with other websites. So I'm not sure what is the issue. It could be the crawling issue or something like that, because I had issues actually analyzing this website using a few of the tools, and the score is it just doesn't seem right. It's unusually low, so I'm sure it is not correct. It's just um, this um, this tool couldn't really crawl probably the website fully. Normally this tool returns an average of between 14 to 60 points per 100. You've got 15 out of 100, which I'm sure there is something that really prevents Google and the other tools to crawl your website. But basically there are some basic issues that seem to be wrong, like the default basic settings of the website. So if you had someone doing some in-depth SEO work or coding, definitely do check with them, because there seem to be some errors with it. There's no doc type declaration, which is pretty standard for all of the websites these days. Doc type declaration basically tells how each browser and each search engine should read the website. So obviously it makes sure that the website displays the same way across all of the devices. So this is quite important. You seem to have two domain names, which is actually quite a standard error with Shopify websites. So if you've got default Shopify URL and custom URL, obviously, if you haven't got the redirect 301 set up, Google can read it as two separate websites with duplicate issue. It's very easy to fix it, and without it, obviously, your website can be marked down in the search results because of the duplicate content issues. So make sure to fix it ASAP. Your meta title, meta description is undefined according to this tool, although I can see that you've got meta title here: fish trainers from the best brands, kicks on the street. So this is the obviously the meta title. So I'm not sure why this tool haven't hasn't picked up. I know this tool isn't faulty, so there could be something. Maybe you're using some kind of frame or JavaScript that prevents coding, but I definitely would look into that. So I'm sure your meta description is also defined. It's just it's not displayed on this tool. The heading tags, I'm not sure if you've got any heading tags, but I'm sure these are heading tags. Obviously, they are not really picked up by this particular tool, which is also a worry. And there's no content being read, but also obviously you've got content. So yeah, I think it could be some kind of entry level coding that prevents bots, and obviously this tool and other bots to really crawl your website. So that definitely can affect your score if Google can't crawl your website. Yeah, this web page has returned no content to our crawling results shown in this report may be inaccurate. Yeah, so I definitely would look into that. But otherwise than that, you've got basically no broken links, so this is really cool. So this is really good. You have obviously have worked quite a lot on your website. Your website loads super fast, and it is mobile friendly. Actually, the mobile version looks very appealing. I think it's original and yeah, quite unique, so I like it. But I would look into your website from the technical SEO point of view, the coding and so on, because there is something that can be affecting the issue. If you solve it, I'll be happy to run SEO analysis free of charge again, just to make sure that everything else is fine. So if you fix this issue, feel free to reach out, and I'd be happy to run this SEO again. I do not specialize in coding issues or fixing any advanced SEO technical SEO issues. So make sure to speak with someone who specializes in JavaScript and other coding, in-depth coding to look into that. But I'd be happy to SEO analyze the website once you're happy, once you fix this issue. So I hope you found these tips useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a 5-star review on my Trustpilot profile, and the details are in the email. And if you would like to receive a full website critique that analyzes your website design, the conversion rate, the content, the written content on the website, the product titles, how well they convert, product descriptions, and the navigation, I also offer a full website critique, either video like this one or a text, and the details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.